Upgrading your Toyota's speakers just got a whole lot easier. This speaker connector is designed specifically for select Toyota vehicles, providing a seamless link between your aftermarket speakers and the factory speaker harness. If you're looking to improve your car's audio without the hassle, this is the perfect solution. One of the biggest headaches during speaker upgrades is dealing with complicated wiring. This connector eliminates that frustration. It's engineered to fit perfectly with the Toyota wiring pigtail, so you don't have to worry about cutting or splicing wires. That means a clean, secure connection every time. Installation is quick and straightforward. Because it matches the size of each female connector to your new speakers, you can avoid improper connections that could cause audio issues or damage. The plug-and-play design means you spend less time fiddling with wires and more time enjoying your upgraded sound. Customers across the United States have praised this connector for making their speaker upgrades effortless. One user shared how it fit perfectly into their 2002 Toyota Camry, simplifying the entire process. The exact match to the factory harness meant no guesswork or additional tools were needed. Another Toyota owner, upgrading the door speakers on their 2020 WRX, highlighted how this adapter turned a potentially complicated job into a simple swap. The hardest part was removing the door panel. Swapping the speakers took mere minutes with this connector in place. What you get with this product is more than just a connector. You gain peace of mind knowing your wiring remains intact and your installation is clean. No cutting means you preserve your vehicle's original wiring integrity, which can be important for future maintenance or resale value. Why does this matter? Because a reliable connection means your new speakers will perform at their best. Poor wiring can cause distortion, intermittent sound, or even damage to your audio system. This connector prevents those issues by ensuring a stable, factory-quality connection. If you've ever hesitated to upgrade your car's audio because of wiring complexity, this speaker connector is worth a look. It removes the guesswork and risk, letting you focus on the sound quality improvements you want to hear. Installing aftermarket speakers can feel intimidating, but it doesn't have to be. With this adapter, you don't need specialized tools or electrical expertise. Just plug it in, secure your speakers, and enjoy the enhanced audio experience right away. The design is tailored specifically for select Toyota models, so compatibility is never a concern. This precise fit saves time and eliminates the frustration of mismatched connectors or loose wiring. Midway through your upgrade project, you'll appreciate how this connector keeps everything organized and secure. No tangled wires, no fragile splices, just a neat, professional installation that looks as good as it sounds. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your Toyota's audio system without the hassle. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or just want a straightforward solution, this connector delivers reliability and ease. In summary, this speaker connector offers a perfect match to your Toyota's factory wiring harness, quick installation with no cutting, and a secure connection that protects your vehicle's electrical system. It's the smart choice for anyone serious about upgrading their car's sound. Don't let wiring worries hold you back from better sound. This adapter is proven by top reviews across the country, helping drivers like you make speaker upgrades simple and effective. If that's you, someone who values quality, convenience, and a clean installation, this connector fits the bill. It's designed to take the guesswork out of audio upgrades, so you can enjoy every note without distraction. When it comes to improving your Toyota's audio, what changes is everything. Clearer sound, easier installation, and peace of mind that your wiring stays intact. That's what this speaker connector delivers. Worth a look if you want a no-fuss, no-cut solution that works right out of the box. This adapter lets you focus on the music, not the mess. Ready to upgrade? This speaker connector for select Toyota vehicles is the tool you need to make it happen smoothly. Plug in, play your favorite tunes, and experience the difference.